Hello friends! Today we're going to be doing another exciting science experiment that also turns out pretty cool at the end because we get a yummy treat. So today we're going to learn how to make ice cream. For this science you're going to need milk, any kind you have is fine, salt, you can use this kind of salt like iodized salt or you can use rock salt, half and half, vanilla extract, you're going to need a small Ziploc baggie and a big Ziploc baggie, sugar, and a half a cup measuring cup and some measuring spoons. I also have a cup here because I'm going to actually put my baggie into the cup to make it easier for me to pour things inside. So if you look, I put the baggie in here so that I don't have to hold the baggie and pour it at the same time. So our first steps we're going to do is we are going to start making our ice cream mixture, and we're going to pour it into the small plastic baggie. So I'm going to start by adding half a cup of half and half. So I'm going to measure with my cup half a cup of half and half. And I'm going to pour that right inside. My next step is I'm going to measure in half a cup of milk to add to make our nice ice cream base. It's going to be nice and liquidy. So here's half a cup of milk. I'm going to pour that inside as well. My next step is I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to measure out half a teaspoon and put it right inside as well. There we go, pour that in. Smells so yummy. I love the smell of vanilla, I bet you do too. The last thing we're going to add is 3 tablespoons of sugar. Make our ice cream nice and sweet. So 1, 2, 1 more makes 3. Now that I've added all of my ingredients for my ice cream, I'm going to seal up my bag to make sure everything stays right inside. So you should look like this. Your bag should be part of the way full. We're going to seal it nice and tight to make sure nothing escapes. My next step that I'm going to do requires the big bag. So I actually prepared my big bag in advance. What you're going to have to do is fill half of your bag with ice. So I put mine in the freezer. I'm going to go grab it. So if you look at my bag, I filled it about halfway with ice. Now that it's filled with ice, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt because something really special happens when you mix salt and ice together. When you mix them, it gets really, really extra cold. So I'm going to add, there's 1 tablespoon of salt, and here is my second one. You can add a little bit of extra salt too to make it extra cold. Alright, now that I have my bag full of ice and salt, again, make sure this little Ziploc baggie full of your ice cream is really tight. I'm going to put this one right inside, and I'm going to seal it into the big bag. Remove my salt so you can see. Make sure it's, again, really tight. Make sure you go over it a couple times to make sure it's nice and sealed. And we are going to make our ice cream by shaking. So you're going to shake. It's going to take a while. So it should take probably 8 to 10 minutes of shaking for it to get nice and creamy and soft like the ice cream you enjoy. Alright, I think my ice cream is done. If I take it out now, I can squish it, and it's nice and thick and squishy. It's ready to go. I'm going to open my bag and take a look, maybe take a sniff. It smells so good. I'm going to put my ice in the sink so my counter doesn't get all wet. And now I'm going to take out a bowl and enjoy my ice cream. If you want, you can top it with some sprinkles, or if you have some whipped cream or chocolate or whatever else you like to enjoy on your ice cream. I hope your ice cream is as delicious as mine will be, and I hope you had a wonderful time doing this experiment. Have a great week. Bye!